Hello and welcome to Daily English 10. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Today we have a very useful topic. We are talking about work. We will talk about office life and work routines, the things we do every day at our jobs.
That's a great topic. Many of our listeners have jobs, or maybe they are looking for jobs.
Exactly. So this language is very important. Let's start with our jobs.
Alex, what do you do? What is your job?
I am a project manager. I work for a technology company.
A project manager. That sounds interesting. What does a project manager do?
I help my team finish projects. I plan the work and I check our progress.
I see. So you organize things.
Yes, that's right. I organize the work for my team. What about you, Emma? What is your job?
I work in marketing. I am a marketing assistant.
A marketing assistant. And what are your main tasks?
I help the marketing manager. I write emails and I help organize events.
That sounds like a busy job.
It is, but I like it. Now, let's talk about our daily routine at the office.
Good idea. My day is usually very similar, Monday to Friday.
Okay, so when do you start work?
I usually start work at 9 a.m. I arrive at the office around 8:45 a.m. I like to be a little early.
Me too. I also start at 9 a.m. What is the first thing you do?
First, I turn on my computer. Then, I make a cup of coffee. After that, I check my emails.
Yes, checking emails is always first. I read my new emails and I make a list of tasks for the day.
That's a good habit. When do you take your lunch break?
I usually have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I eat in the office kitchen with my colleagues. What about you?
I take my lunch break at 1 p.m. Sometimes I eat at my desk, and sometimes I go out to a cafe near the office.
It's good to get out of the office for a little while. I find it helps me focus in the afternoon. How is your afternoon usually? Is it busy?
Yes, the afternoon is usually my busiest time. I have more meetings or I spend time on the phone with clients. I try to get most of my report writing done then, too.
My afternoons are for creative work. I usually write the social media posts then. I find it's quieter in the office after lunch, so it's a good time to concentrate.
That makes sense. Do you drink coffee in the afternoon? I sometimes need a second cup around 3 p.m. to keep my energy up.
Sometimes I do, or I just take a short break and walk around the office for a few minutes. It helps to clear my head. That's nice. And what time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m. I try to leave the office on time.
Same here. I finish work at 5 p.m. too, so our work hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
That's right.
Okay, let's talk more about our daily tasks. We both check emails in the morning. What other tasks do you do every day, Alex?
Well, I have a team meeting every morning at 10 a.m. We talk about our projects.
Meetings are important.
Yes, after the meeting, I usually make phone calls. I talk to clients. I also write reports.
Writing reports sounds serious.
It's a big part of my job. What about your tasks, Emma?
I have meetings too, but not every day. I create content for social media. For example, I write posts for Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, okay. Social media.
Yes, and as I said, I help plan our company's events.
Planning events sounds fun. More fun than writing reports.
It is. I enjoy it. Now, let's talk about the people we work with, our colleagues.
Okay, I work in a team. My team is great.
That's wonderful. How many people are in your team?
There are 5 people in my team. We all work well together. Teamwork is very important for us.
I agree. And what about your boss or your manager?
My manager is very supportive. He helps us when we have problems. He's a good leader. How is your team, Emma?
My team is very small. It's just me and my manager, the marketing manager. But we work with other teams in the company a lot.
So, communication is very important for you two.
Yes, very important. We need to communicate well to get the work done.
Speaking of getting work done, things don't always go smoothly, do they? We all face challenges at work. Have you had any interesting challenges recently, Emma?
Okay, final topic. Every job has good parts and bad parts. What do you like about your job, Emma?
That's a great point, Alex. Yes, just last month we had a big product launch event. A week before the event, our main venue canceled on us. It was quite a panic.
Oh no, a week before the event? That sounds very stressful. What did you do?
It was. First, my manager and I had an emergency meeting. We made a list of other possible venues in the city. Then we divided the list and started making phone calls immediately. It was a real team effort.
So you had to find a new place very quickly? Did you find one?
That's a good question. I really like being creative. Creating content is fun for me.
Right, the creative part.
Yes, and I like the people I work with. My colleagues are friendly. What do you like about your job?
I like helping my team succeed. When we finish a big project, it feels great. I also like solving problems.
That makes sense. Okay, and is there anything you don't like?
Well, sometimes my job is stressful. Deadlines, you know. We have to finish work by a certain time.
Ah, yes, stress. I understand. For me, I don't like some of the administrative tasks. Sometimes it can be a bit boring.
Right. Not every task is exciting.
So that's a little about our work life and office routines.
Yes, we talked about our job titles, our daily tasks, our teams, and what we like and don't like.
Now it's your turn, listeners. We want you to practice. Try to talk about your job.
You can ask yourself some simple questions. For example, what is my job? What is my daily routine?
And also, what tasks do I do every day? Do I work in a team? What do I like about my job?
Practice with a friend or just say the answers out loud to yourself. It's great practice for your English speaking.
That's all for today on Daily English 10. Thank you so much for listening.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.